This is the Bayfair Card Making Kit from Spellbinders and Rosie's Studio. In this kit, you'll find wooden buttons, puffy stickers, chipboard stickers, as well as a 6-inch paper pad. The paper pad is full of printed papers. There's 20 different prints and 40 different sheets. So you get 2 sheets of each print. The package of chipboard stickers has 2 different sheets. There's one on the front and one on the back. And there's also a coordinating floral die that coordinates with it and has all the same florals, so you can create your own embellishments to go with it as well. I recently used the card making kit to create a few cards, and what I like about 6-inch paper pads is the prints are scaled down, so they're not too large a scale for cards. I also use some of the more monochromatic prints from the paper pad to use the coordinating die with it when I was creating those cards. This puffy stickers as well as the chipboard stickers makes it really easy to add elements, sentiments, and embellishments to the fronts of the cards. You can use them for the main sentiment. You could also use them for just a few little embellishments on there. There are some little florals. There's a nice variety of large and small sizes within that card making kit, and they coordinate beautifully with everything. I only created 4 cards here, and I still have a ton of papers from the printed paper kit, as well as those stickers to make many, many more. It just requires the addition of some solid cardstock as well as card bases. But I love the fact that everything coordinates together perfectly.